In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF files on iPhone. Stop sending PDFs to your computer just to make simple edits. Your iPhone can handle this, and I'll prove it right now. Editing PDFs on your iPhone used to be a nightmare, but iOS has gotten so much better at this. Let me show you the easiest ways to edit any PDF right from your phone. Method 1 is built right into iOS. Open any PDF in your Files app or email, tap it, then hit that markup button. It looks like a little pen tip. From here, you can add text, draw, highlight, and even add your signature. It's honestly pretty powerful for basic edits. But if you need to do serious editing, like moving text around, changing fonts, or adding images, you'll want a dedicated app. Adobe Acrobat Reader is free and surprisingly capable. You can edit text directly, add images, and even scan documents to add to your PDF. Here's a pro tip most people don't know. The Notes app can edit PDFs too. Just share your PDF to Notes, and you can mark up, annotate, and even merge multiple PDFs together. It's like having a mini PDF editor built into iOS. For heavy-duty editing, I recommend PDF Expert. It costs a few bucks, but you can literally rewrite entire documents, change layouts, and do pretty much anything you do on a computer. Thanks for watching.